Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare rice flour fufu. Here I have my rice flour. Is so simple to do. One thing I love about this rice flour fufu is that when you eat it you feel less heavy in your stomach. Rice flour fufu digests so easily, not like semo. When you eat semo you feel heavy in your stomach. So without wasting much of your time, let me go and show you guys the best way to prepare your rice flour fufu. After turning it for a while, this is how it look like. As you can see, so soft. I'm going to add little water on it and cover it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to turn it again. After leaving it to cook for 3 minutes, I will open it and start to turn it again. You see how soft and smooth the rice flour fufu look like. So please give it a try and you will love it. So guys, our rice flour fufu is ready to eat. You can eat it with any type of soup you love to eat it with. Okra, ogbono, egusi, bitter leaf soup, anyone you wishes to eat it with. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that you will get more of my videos. See you on my next video. Thank you so much.